What is up? What is good? Welcome back to your girl's channel. I know I've been gone for a minute, but your girl got some good news. We moved into a bigger building last week, so we've been kind of hectic. We've been swamped. We had to move on top of finish pulling orders, packing orders, and shipping orders. So you guys, just bear with your girl. I'm still on YouTube. I'm still here. I still got y'all with the tips and everything. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, you guys, I do have another announcement. We will be getting our processing times down to 5 to 7 business days when we reopen. We will be offering a plethora of new items for you all. I am so excited for this relaunch. I'm excited. So make sure you all follow all our social media to be updated on what's going on. Yes, our website is currently closed right now, but the store is still open. I'm still working. We're still working every day to get orders out. We will also be transitioning from using the post office to only using UPS and FedEx due to the several issues that we have been having with the United States Postal Service. So to make sure you guys get your packages on time with no problems, we will be transitioning over. So you will see a group of different shipping prices going forward when we relaunch. But that don't matter, because you know what? You still gonna get stuff in a better time than what we did before. Take a couple dollars, it's not gonna hurt to make sure your package is safe and arrives to you on time. Again, while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. Roll to 5K. And that's on period. Let's get into this video.
How they used to talk about me, but now my name all in they search now. Pretty in the face, little in the waist. I talk my shit, I get cocky. These bitches want beat me, these bitches can't see me. Got CC all over my body. Killing bitches is a hobby.
Alright, so I was on live this morning, which today is actually Wednesday when I'm recording this. And I asked the people that was on live what did they want me to cover on YouTube. So they gave me 2 topics. So one topic I'm going to do today, and another topic I'm going to do on Friday. So the first topic that I'm going to do today is 5 ways to make money from home. Okay, 5 ways to make you some coins from home. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all the social medias below. Like, comment, and subscribe. So like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all, this is an old wig. Y'all gonna see me pulling on it a couple times because it's gonna be creeping on back. But let's go ahead and get into this. So 5 ways to make money from home. The first way, of course, will be to start you a business. Start you a business. I forgot to turn the air off. 1 second. Okay. Start your own business. When I first started my business, I was starting from home. My business was ran strictly from the house. I started my business when I was in college, so I really ran it out of my apartment. I did pickups, I did delivery, I did all that good stuff. But you can start your own business from home. Starting your own jewelry accessory line is a good thing to start at home. Of course, Christine Creations does offer a starter kit for you all that will be dropping back again when we reopen. And our processing times are going down to 5 to 7 business days. Y'all heard it here first. 5 to 7 business days will be our new official processing period for Christine Creations. So I'm super excited. We've cut it directly in half so you guys can get your merchandise quicker. But enough of the promo. You can start your own business from home. It's very simple. It's very easy. All you need is a computer and a phone, or just a phone, because most of the e-commerce websites will let you run the website off your phone. So that's tip number 1. The first thing you can do is start your own business and run it from home. Number two, look into joining the foreign exchange market. I am a part of FOREX. I don't put in a lot of time like a lot of people do. I do not do the residuals. So as of right now, I'm not a residual person. I don't recruit people to join FOREX, but FOREX is a good tool to use to learn a new craft, to learn a new tool that can help you in your future no matter how old you are. The foreign exchange market, if you join through our markets live, is of course $235. You get all the learning materials. You are paying for learning materials. Let's be clear with Forex. You're paying for your learning materials, okay? Your learning materials are $235, and you get all the modules. You get live, you get Zoom calls, you get full access, you get in a group chat where they send signals, where they explain stuff. It is basically a full-on learning experience. Me personally, I joined Forex about a month ago. I really have not put in the time to really learn Forex, but I have seen people and know people who personally do Forex on a daily basis, and they make good money. But another thing with starting that business from home is you don't have to do residuals, but you do have to invest in some money to get started, which means you have to fund your account. So there are different options you can use, like Hugo's Way, Vcoin, Bitcoin, all those good things you can use to fund your account. Put your good little $20 over that $6, good little $50, and run it up. When you join a team, they put you in a group chat where you learn signals, you get signals, they send you signals that work to help you learn how to read charts. So that's a good mechanism for you all to join if you want to make money from home, off your mobile device. Look into Forex. I will start residual soon, but if you guys have any questions regarding Forex, just comment them below. Next, number 3, invest in the stock market. I currently invest in the stock market. I can't show y'all the stocks on my phone, but I have a clip. I can insert a photo, a screen record of my stocks that I currently have right now for you all on this side of the screen. I currently do invest. I have I have 4 stocks in Carnival. I have 3 stocks in Royal Caribbean. I have 2 stocks in Ford. I have 4 stocks in American Airlines. I have 2 stocks in Delta, and I have a stock in something else that I can't remember. But the reason why you like, girl, why you investing in stuff that's not booming right now? Because when you use stocks, you have to plan ahead. It's about planning ahead. Once the corona blows over, once everything kind of gets back to normal, people are going to want to travel. Let's be honest. People are going to want to travel. So it is imperative to buy those stocks right now while they're so cheap. Like a stock, when I bought my American Airlines stock, I want to say the stock was like $15 per stock. Your girl bought 4 of them. Because when you think about it, when you go and look at the charts and you see that these stocks are usually $50, $60, $70, sometimes $100 per stock, and you can get these stocks for $12 and $11. Why not invest now? Because you see when the market is booming, when people are traveling, these stocks are up. So if you buy a stock at $12, and by the time the market goes back up and that stock is at $100 or $112, you made $100 profit per stock you invested. So I think of it that way. That's why I'm invested in a lot of transportation, hospitality industries, because once Corona is over, people gonna want to travel. And I know I'm one of those people who want to travel, so why don't I go ahead and invest now? And my stocks are going up. I feel like when I first started investing, with all my stocks included, I think I spent about a good $400 and something, like $440 something. And all my stocks right now, it tells you like how much all your stocks are worth. All my stocks are worth right now $534. That's when I checked a couple days ago. I don't check it daily because it's gonna fluctuate. That's just the stock market. But your girl's making money. You don't have to touch it. You can sit over there and forget about it. But when you see them alerts come across your phone, I use Robinhood. When you see them alerts come across your phone, sis, and you see them numbers is up, you better check it out. And I did take a class with Invest with Bree. I did take a class with Abria. I will put her Instagram down in the description bar for you guys to go check her out. She's black, she's a female, she's young, and she knows what she's talking about. So if you don't know about stocks, go look at Bree's class, okay? Abria's class. If I'm not mistaken, I know she said she's going up on her prices, but when I took it, it was $25. It may be a little bit more now, but that's still affordable for a class regardless, okay? Next, Ashin. So number 4, you guys, you can do intros and outros. You can charge people to make flyers. You can charge people to make business cards. You can basically become an at-home Office Depot. If you know how to design business cards, you know how to design thank you cards, you know how to design websites, You don't have to do all those things that people don't know how to do on a normal basis. Do it. Charge people for it. That is the simplest thing to do. Something that you know how to do that you can make money off of is always the best thing to do, sis. I promise you it is. I know how to do all that stuff, but I personally don't have the time to sit down and design stuff for other people. But anything that you all have seen with Christine Creations, the thank you card design, the business card design, everything except for my logo is made by me. Flyers are made by me. And sometimes Angel. We all do that. So if you can charge someone to do that, to do it for them, a lot of people want YouTube intros and outros. If you know how to do that, charge people to do it. I know a girl that who made my intro outro. I don't have an outro yet, but I bought an intro and she charged me $25 and she made my YouTube banner for $12. Like, that's affordable. I can do that. So you can just charge people how much you feel like your work is worth. Okay. Our last thing, alright? You can make money from home by hosting different virtual activities, okay? I know a lot of people do the sipping paints. Some people do Zoom call aerobics. Some people do Zoom call Zumba. Some people do Zoom call shopping. A lot of businesses are starting to do that with their hosting Zoom calls where customers can shop directly on the Zoom call. It's crazy. People are taking these Zoom calls to the next level, sis. Get in where you fit in. If you know how to work out, you're a dancer, offer a virtual dance class. People want to work out. Some people still don't want to go to the gym. If you can offer those certain activities for them to do virtually, you will make money. Another thing you do, if you know how to do, if you're good at business, if you can do business like I'm doing, for instance, we are offering a business 101 and a jewelry 101 making class, right? That's something that I'm good at. Why not offer a class for other people to learn? That is what you can do to make money at home on your computer or your phone. Host a virtual activity or host a virtual class, host a virtual shopping experience, host a virtual workout. You can do all this stuff from your house, from home. During the corona, this is the perfect time to do it. So I hope these 5 tips were helpful for you all to help you learn how to make money from home. Some of these activities, some of these options do take money to start up, but some it doesn't. Most do. You have to put money up to make money, okay? Scared money don't make no money. And remember that. So while you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow your girl on Instagram on all the social medias below. Thank you guys again. We're road to 5K. We're road to 5K. Christine Creations will be relaunching sometime next week. I don't have a solidified date yet, but some of the top things we are introducing, we will be having lip gloss based wholesale and 2 bundles. We will be selling hair bundles deals. We will be selling handbag bundles. We are giving deals all forever, okay? Processing times for charms and lip gloss base will be 5 to 7 business days. Hair, lashes, and handbags are still on pre-order basis until we feel that we have a steady market in those fields. So they will still have a longer processing time. But sis, bundles are on the way. Lashes are on the way. And I mean lash wholesale. Not just lashes, baby. Lash wholesale, sis. You've been waiting. We got y'all. I told y'all, my goal is to be the ultimate wholesaler. We're going to have everything y'all need by the end of 2020. I love you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram, and I will see you guys later.